Very good morning from Dubai airport. Finally, we have a flight here. I'm flying to Edinburgh today with Emirates. So let's review the flight. I already checked in our bags. You can use like a smart kind of gaze or how to call it. So it's very easy. You can see that in this video how you can do it, and they have assistants there, so if you need any help you can go and ask them. But yeah, let's go to pass the security and enjoy our flight. Bye bye. I am already at the lounge, Plaza Premium. So a little bit more information about the flight. I'm flying economy, Airbus 350, as I said, with Emirates. So yeah, looking forward. Sometimes from my previous experience, the plane is new, sometimes it's old, so I'm not really sure what is going to be that today. Praying for new one, but yeah, let's see. And some information about the airport. So Emirates flies from Terminal 3, and Terminal 3 has actually three parts, so it's A, B and C, and usually like 4 hours or maybe even more before your flight you know your location, if it's either A or B or C. So we are flying from A. I think it's my first time here in A part. Just to be careful, you can walk around all airport, you can visit the other parts, but it will take approximately 15-20 minutes to reach your other destination. So for example, if you want to travel from A to B or C, it might take up to 20 minutes. Here is our plane. I'm already in my seat. This is new plane. I'm so happy. We have usual economy amenities in Emirates below blanket and headphones. That's it. guys, from Edinburgh. I already landed. It was long flight. Usually, previously it was around 7, maximum 7 hours. Now it's more than 8. So yeah, because of the different roads, but it's fine. I am waiting for my luggage. Edinburgh airport seems pretty quiet today, which is good, so we pass security like in no time. The flight was really good. So for lunch I had beef ragu. It was good. I think I had better food with Emirates, so nothing like special. Then we had afternoon tea and that was really good. I love it. We have so many services like drinks, coffees, etc. stuff like that, so I really appreciate that. The TV is huge, massive, so many movies. The toilet, as you saw, it's really small, but yeah, what we can do is probably in most of the planes, unless it's flying premium or business or first class. So yeah, it is what it is. And for the crew, I would say yeah, 5 star, as most of the time with Emirates, so pretty happy. I'm going to spend just few days here in Edinburgh and then I'm flying back to Dubai again with Emirates. So yeah, I might compare those two flights. I think I will fly from Glasgow. So yeah, I will see if it's going to be new airplane as well. But that's it. I'm still waiting for the luggage, but hopefully it will arrive soon and I can go. So thank you for watching. Take care, stay safe, and see you later. Bye bye.